Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to get your phone to read text message aloud. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To get your iPhone to read text message aloud, you can use the built-in feature called Speak Selection. Follow these steps to enable and use this feature. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Go ahead and scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Step 3. Under the Vision section, tap on Spoken Content. Step 4. Turn on the switch next to Speak Selection. Now, using Speak Selection for text messages. Step 1. Open the Message app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap on the conversation containing the text message you want to read aloud. Step 3. Press and hold on the text you want to be read aloud until the selection handles appear. Step 4. Tap on the Speak option in the context menu that appears. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.